With the newest WhatsApp update, you can now back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on Android without taking up any of your Google Drive storage space. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, make sure you've updated WhatsApp to the newest version. You can do this in the Google Play Store. Then, open WhatsApp. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Tap Chats. Select Chat Backup. Tap Backup to Google Drive. Then select how often you'd like your messages to be backed up. Select the Google account you'd like to use. The account you're signed into on your device should come up automatically. Tap Allow to let WhatsApp access your Google Drive. Then, tap Back Up to back up your chats to Google Drive now. That's all it takes to back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out TechBoomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.